What if I told you you are only 100 sentences away from speaking English with confidence? Not years, not thousands of words, just simple sentences. But then why do so many people still struggle? Every day, millions of people open their books, watch videos, and try to learn English. They read grammar. They memorize rules. They try hard, very hard. But when it is time to speak, something stops them. Their mind goes blank. Their heart beats fast. And they think, I know English, but I can't speak. If this feels like you, then stay with me, because today is different. Today is not about learning more, it is about finally speaking. This is your daily English speaking exercise. Simple, powerful, real. And everything starts with one truth. You don't need perfect English. You need practice. Real, daily, spoken practice. Maybe you remember the first time you tried to speak English. You were nervous. You were scared. You were thinking about every word. Is this correct? Is this wrong? What will people think? And slowly you stop trying. But here's the question. What if the problem is not your English? What if the problem is you never trained your mouth to speak? Because understanding is one thing, but speaking is a different skill. And this is where everything changes. Today, you will not just listen. You will speak. You will repeat. You will feel the words. You will build your confidence one sentence at a time. Take a deep breath. Relax your shoulders. And get ready. Listen and repeat. I wake up early in the morning. I feel fresh today. I want to improve my English. I am ready to practice. I speak slowly and clearly. I am not afraid of mistakes. I learn from every mistake. I try again and again. I believe in myself. I can do this. Good. Did you feel that? Not perfect, but real. Let's go deeper. I go to work every day. I meet different people. Sometimes I feel nervous, but I keep speaking. I use simple words. I don't stop. I don't give up. I practice every day. My English is getting better. I can see my progress. But wait, what happens when things get difficult? What happens when you forget words? What happens when people don't understand you? This is where most people quit. This is where fear becomes bigger than effort. But not you, because you're still here. And this is where everything changed for one learner, just like you. There was a person who understood English very well. They watched videos every day. They listened to podcasts. They knew many words. But when someone asked them a simple question, they stayed silent. They smiled, but inside they felt pain. They thought, why can't I speak? Days passed. Weeks passed. Nothing changed. Until one day they made a simple decision. I will speak every day, even if it is not perfect. And that was the turning point. Not a big course. Not a difficult book. Just a simple habit, daily speaking. Sentence by sentence. Day by day. And slowly something amazing happened. Their fear became smaller. Their confidence became stronger. And their voice became clear. Now it's your turn. Listen and repeat. I am learning something new. It is not easy, but I try. I make mistakes, and it's okay. I speak even when I feel shy. I don't wait for perfect English. I use what I know. I speak with confidence. I improve every day. I am proud of my progress. I am becoming better. Feel that energy. That is not just practice. That is transformation. But what about real life? What about conversations? Let's go there. I want to order food. I would like a cup of tea. Can you help me? I don't understand. Please repeat. Can you speak slowly? Thank you for your help. I appreciate it. That was very useful. I will try again. Have a nice day. Simple, clear, real. This is how people speak. Not big grammar, not complex sentences, just clear communication. But here comes the biggest challenge. Consistency. Many people start strong and then stop. They say, I don't have time, or I will do it tomorrow. But tomorrow becomes next week, and next week becomes never. So ask yourself, do you really want to speak English? Or do you just like the idea of it? Because real change needs action, daily action, even 10 minutes, even 5 minutes, but every single day. This is your moment. This is your chance. Let's continue. I am talking to my friend. We are having a good time. I feel happy when I speak. I am getting more confident. People understand me better now. I am not afraid anymore. I enjoy learning English. It is part of my life. I practice every day. I never stop. Do you see what's happening? You are not just repeating sentences. You are building a new identity. A person who speaks English. A person who is confident. A person who does not give up. And here comes the climax, the moment everything connects. One day, someone will ask you a question in English. And this time, you will not freeze. You will not stay silent. You will smile. And you will answer. Not perfectly, but clearly, confidently, naturally. And in that moment, you will realize something powerful. You were always capable. You just needed practice. That's it.
No magic. No shortcuts.
Just daily effort. Daily speaking. Daily growth. So, remember this. Fluency is not about knowing everything. Fluency is about using what you know again and again until it becomes natural. Say it again in your mind. I don't need perfect English. I need daily practice. Repeat it. I don't need perfect English. I need daily practice. One more time. I don't need perfect English. I need daily practice. This is your truth now. This is your path. And if you follow this path, your life will change. Slowly but surely. Before we end, take one more deep breath. Feel proud. Because today you didn't just watch a video. You practiced. You spoke. You moved forward. And that matters. So keep going. Come back tomorrow. Practice again. Build your confidence. One sentence at a time. If this helped you, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Repeat it. I don't need perfect English. I need daily practice. One more time. I don't need perfect English. I need daily practice. This is your truth now. This is your path. And if you follow this path, your life will change. Slowly but surely. Before we end, take one more deep breath. Feel proud. Because today you didn't just watch a video. You practiced. You spoke. You moved forward. And that matters. So keep going. Come back tomorrow. Practice again. Build your confidence. One sentence at a time. If this helped you, like the video, subscribe to the channel and continue your journey. Your English story has just started. And the best part? The next level is waiting for you.